How to document a method with parameters. How to document methods with parameters using Python's documentation strings. Edit. PEP 257 gives this example. Is this the convention used by most Python developers? I was expecting something a little bit more formal, such as environment, Python 2.7.1.
Conventions. PEP 257 docstring conventions. PEP 287 restructured text docstring format. Tools. Epidoc, automatic API documentation generation for Python. Sphinx.extension autodoc, include documentation from docstrings. PyCharm has some nice support for docstrings. Update. Since Python 3.5 you can use type hints, which is a compact, machine-readable syntax. The main advantage of this syntax is that it is defined by the language and that it's unambiguous, so tools like PyCharm can easily take advantage from it.
Python docstrings are free-form, you can document it in any way you like. Examples. Now, there are some conventions, but Python doesn't enforce any of them. Some projects have their own conventions. Some tools to work with docstrings also follow specific conventions.
Based on my experience, the number PY docstring conventions, PEP 257 superset, are the most widely spread followed conventions that are also supported by tools, such as Sphinx. One example.
If you plan to use Sphinx to document your code, it is capable of producing nicely formatted HTML docs for your parameters with their signatures feature. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.